Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur of mariannelecoeur.com and howtobechicandElegant.com. And today I wanted to talk to you about something that French women really love doing with their clothes. So you know that the wardrobe of French chic women like me is very much a classic wardrobe. It's very much a simple and almost minimal wardrobe. So we buy things that are very simple in design and in print and style, but usually we like to find pieces that have something that sets them apart. You see, something that makes them a little bit different, and something that when you look closely, that piece is not as simple as it first appears. So what is it? So it is the little detailing, you know, the little detail. So I've prepared here just a few pieces to show you what I mean. So the first one is this jacket, kind of a patchy jacket. This one is a thin one. But what I like about this jacket is these really thin brown leather trims. So it's got this leather trim around the collar here and all along by the buttons in the opening of the front and around the pockets and at the cuffs. I really like that. I also like here, this piece here, kind of tartan, really set them apart from other pieces. So we like that. So next I'm going to show you a pencil skirt, just a simple woolen knitted pencil skirt for the winter. So this is it. So, you know, just a simple one, but look at the hemline. The hemline has a lovely little fluted hemline. So suddenly this pencil skirt that appears really simple, minimal, has this little detailing that sets it apart. So you see, sometimes some people may think, oh, you know, these clothes are so simple that almost boring. But when you find little detailing like this, these clothes are never boring. They're different. So next I'm going to show you my black and white striped dress that I've worn before on a couple of videos. So when you look at it from the front, it looks very simple, just a simple, you know, just a simple dress with a round neckline. But look at the back. It is low cut at the back. So suddenly this dress that appears very almost prim and proper, and you look at the back, it has this sexy detailing at the back. So we really like that in you know, in a French chic wardrobe. So the next one is going to be just a simple black and grey strapped t-shirt. But you realize now when you look at it closer, it's got those appliqued roses. So suddenly it is no longer just a basic casual t-shirt, but because it has these. And look at the back, it also has a little peephole. So, you know, this little detailing, try to think about this when you go shopping for your clothes. You know, if you're following and watching my videos, you are, I hope, you are hopefully into the French chic wardrobe and how we French women shop and how we, you know, we like our clothes to be like. So this is really important because you will hear, if you know French women, or, you know, if you have ever been to France, you know, you may hear French women say, oh, I bought this little dress, lovely, it's simple, but look at this detailing. We really show that, we really like that. Admittedly, not in every simple item you'll find something that sets it apart, but sometimes it could be just a little, you know, just a button in a different color, or maybe tiny little stitching is in different color, or something different, or little, as I say, little peephole at the back or at the front. So it's something, a little something that sets it apart. It is no longer a basic or really minimal piece. It's really a little bit different. Elevates it a little bit. And now I'm going to show you just a simple striped sweater. Really simple, this one, but look at it closely. See, and it has this little shiny, some little shine in, some little kind of a lurex, you know, in the wool. So it is a striped sweater, but it has a little stripe. When you look closely, this is the thing as well in French chic style. We like things that are discreet, and we like a detailing also to be discreet. So sometimes it could be just a plain sweater, but you look closely, you know, the stitch is a little bit different in some areas, or you have to look closely, and it's a little bit ajouré, as we say in French. For instance, you know, you have tiny little holes in the stitching. So all these make it a little bit different, and we also like it to be not so much in your face, but you have to look closely to see that it is different. We like that. So the next is my favorite cardigan of all time. And look at this, how different it is. It's got this double row of buttons on the front and also on the sleeves. And also, look at the stitching. Stitching is ajouré on the sleeves and throughout the sweater. So again, it is something different. It is no longer a navy cardigan, it is so much more than that, and we really like that. And next I'm going to show you a sleeveless blouse. Just, you know, normal printed, you know, nothing special with this one, but look at it. It has a little peephole at the front. I really like that. And the back you have those little 3 buttons that I really like this. So it is very plain. I like to wear it with a brooch here. And you know, you have the brooch and you have this little peephole. It is simple, but it has this little je ne sais quoi. Okay, you will hear that a lot, je ne sais quoi. Un petit je ne sais quoi. So it means a little, I don't know what, but a little je ne sais quoi, it means much more than I don't know what. This is what we call it, but it means so much more. Un petit je ne sais quoi means something little special, okay? Something that elevates it to the level of special, no longer plain, no longer basic. The next one, I wanted to show you white blouse, simple white blouse, but look at the fabric. It has this kind of, I don't even know what you can call it, kind of special stitching through the fabric. I really like that. I also like this row of buttons at the front. And the sleeves have this little frill. Oh, this little frill. Okay, so suddenly this simple blouse is no longer just simple, just basic. It has this little detailing that I really like. And it's not too much. It is white, so suddenly it is played down, understated, and you have to look closely to see the detailing. I really like that. So next I'm going to show you just a simple tank top. So these are very versatile, and I like this one. I like the color, just a simple, but look at the hemline. You see, so this is the difference. You see, this is the difference from other just tank tops. It has this kind of a voile at the hemline, and again that sets it apart. You see, it is no longer a tank top that is banal. It is no longer just a simple tank top. It is a top. It is a beautiful top with a voile at the hemline. Something that elevates it. You see, so it is something to think about when you go shopping for the next item. If you're looking for a blouse, a dress, a skirt, you know, so I hope you're making a detailed list before going shopping, but also keep an eye for this little something extra, okay? This little je ne sais quoi that really elevates that item to an item that's going to become really special to you, and will have, you know, you receiving probably compliments about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was Marianne Lecoeur of Marianne Lecoeur and howtobechic and elegant.com. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.